So I'm going to put the mesh in now, which is the drainage holes. The reason for this is really so insect slugs don't actually climb up inside, but also to stop your soil from washing away. I picked up this really cool gadget in America. I don't know if you can see it here, and it works. I'll show you how it works. It's really good. There's a little hole that you put your wire into there, and you take it around here. Oh no, start again. Haha! I've only used it a couple of times. Put it into the small hole, take it around there, around that one, and then down here, like so. And then cut it off, and there you go. Ready to go. So we'll do another one. Down inside the hole, around, around, and then down and cut it. So I need 6 of these and 1 large one. So the next thing is to cut the mesh. Now I've been with friends and they're very particular about this. I'm maybe not quite so particular. We'll do the big one first. You can see it's going to go straight over that hole. So I measure like so. That fits good. Line up with the mesh. Like so. See that? And then it goes through. Goes to the other side. And then we bend those over. So I'm going to do all the others now, and then we can get on with the repotting. This is always the tough part, really, and I'm doing it on my own. I really prefer to do this with somebody else, but seeing as it's midweek, most people are working, so I've got to do it on my own. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I've got a wire here which I'm going to cut off, which was securing the tree. So that's a very visible one. Now there'll be others underneath, so I'm going to have a look underneath and see where they are. Let's see what we can find. There we go. That's the one that I've just cut off. That's one wire, so there's another wire here. I hope you can see it. I'm going to be taking that off. What I do is I cut it close to. I'm going to turn it around for you. Cut it close to, and then bend it up. Now the tree is going to move, it is moving. I'm going to bend that down and cut it off. It's quite awkward. There we go. Quite thick copper wire was used to tie this in, really necessary because it's a big tree. So I'm just about to bring it out. I'm going to lift it up and remove the pot. Oh, there we go. You see why I said it would have been nice to have had somebody to help me. But as you can see, we've got a really nice root ball. There she is. So what I'm going to do at this point is, Mojo Bonsai also do a tabletop version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slit this underneath, so I can spin it around. I'm going to try to put it underneath. There we go. So there you go. You can see it. See all around. Now obviously I need to get into this and take some of the weeds out the top, which is here. Just going to bring around my bin so I can put stuff straight into it. So this looks like the original soil that came with the tree, nice and open. When it came, in actual fact, it was in a very large round plant pot, and I put it straight into the rectangle as you just saw. I'm not reusing this because it's the top layer. What I may do is I may use some of the other just for drainage, or maybe even in large plant pots just in the garden. So here we go. Really useful having this turntable to be able to spin it round and get access to it.